We're going to explain how to move cells up in Excel. There are several ways to achieve this, depending on what you're trying to accomplish. The simplest method is using the cut and paste functionality. Select the cell or range of cells you want to move. Right-click and choose Cut, then select the cell where you want to place the moved cells, the cell above where they currently are. Right-click and select Paste. This directly moves the cells up, shifting the other cells down to accommodate the change. 2. If you need more precise control or are working with many cells, using the drag and drop method might be preferable. Select the cells you want to move. Hover your cursor over the border of the selection until it turns into a four-headed arrow. Click and drag the cells to the desired location above their current position. Excel will automatically adjust other cells. 3. For more complex scenarios, you might want to consider using Excel's built-in Insert and Delete functionality. Let's say you want to move cells up to make space for new data. First, select the cell below where you want to insert the new data. Next, on the Home tab, click the Insert button in the Cells group. Then, choose the option Insert Sheet Rows. This inserts a blank row above the selected cell, pushing existing rows down. This effectively moves those rows down, the opposite of what you want, but you can then move the cells to the top. Alternatively, you could select the rows above and use the Delete function to delete these rows, thus bringing up the rows. Or, for those comfortable with formulas, you can use formulas to manipulate data and indirectly achieve the effect of moving cells up. For example, you can use formulas to reference cells from a different location, effectively displaying the data moved without physically altering the cell positions. This approach is best when you want to present data in a different order without disturbing the original data layout. Finally, if you're working with a large dataset, consider using VBA macros for automating the process. This is the most advanced method and requires programming knowledge, but it allows you to create customized solutions for moving cells up based on specific criteria or in bulk. Remember to save your work frequently when making significant changes to your spreadsheet. These methods provide flexible ways to reorganize your Excel data, allowing you to move cells upwards effectively, whether you're dealing with a few cells or a large data